Parrots in Asia are a dazzling display of color and life, playing a vital role in our ecosystems. These intelligent birds help disperse seeds, ensuring the health of our rainforests. Yet, their beauty comes with challenges. Habitat loss and illegal trade threaten their survival. Researchers are uncovering fascinating behaviors, revealing their complex social structures and communication skills. Community-led conservation efforts are making a difference, showing that when we unite, we can protect these incredible creatures. Understanding their importance is the first step towards safeguarding their future.